Hey everybody, what's going on? You might be wondering, what platform should I use to sell my digital products, right? Follow along and I'm going to tell you exactly which platform you should use. Let's dive in and take a look. All right. As you can see here, I am looking at the System.io pricing page. Yes, folks, System.io is the only platform you're going to need to sell your digital products. It's what we use, and I'm going to give you 3 reasons why. One, if you look at this, free. Right off the bat, free. I don't know about you, but the first thing I think about when I look at free is, yeah, but how good is it? Well, in this case, it's pretty darn good. All right. This free version gives you, although it's hard to tell here when you're looking at it, you can do 7 digital products without any kind of issues. And the reason I say 7 is the free version gives you 15 funnel steps. And so one of those funnel steps is going to just be a default 404 page not found error. So so that's going to be one of them. So you have 14 other pages. That's 2 funnel steps per digital product. You have a landing page with a built-in order form. So again, you put the order form on the same page. That saves you a funnel step, and then a thank you page. Now you could maybe try and get 14 and just have a default thank you page that System.io offers, but I really do recommend using a custom thank you page that says here's what to expect next. All right, so you're looking at 7 digital products. If you look at the competition, you're not going to get that many. If you look at Kajabi, let's pop over here to Kajabi. You got 1 product. You get to spend $70 a month instead of free. You're spending $70 per month and you get 1 product. Let's look at Podia. They have a free version, right? This is where that but comes in. Yeah, but. Oh, look, 1 download. All right, a digital product's typically going to be a download and you get 1. Whoa, okay. That's not, I can't really do much with that. It's really, really limited. Um, can't say enough about System.io and being able to have 7 products right out the door. Okay. Next, that is really, really amazing about System.io for your digital products, and that is the ability to use email marketing. And I mean, actually use it. Okay. So with the free version, you get 2,000 contacts. I mean, I don't know about you. That's crazy. All right. And you're going to, you might be thinking, why is that crazy? Well, we're going to compare it to Podia and Kajabi here in a minute. And you're going to see that's crazy. All right. So 2,000 contacts, unlimited emails, and you're able to really build a list and nurture that list and let them know, hey, here's what's coming up. So if you've only used 1 or 2 digital products, you can let them know about other digital products, right? So if we go and take a look at Kajabi for $70 a month, oh, look, you get 250 contacts. Wow. For Podia. What it doesn't tell you here, it has an optional email add-on. So the free version gives you like 100 contacts, and that's it. You go over 100 contacts, guess what? You now have to pay, I think it's like $7 a month. And that's only for, I want to say like 250 contacts. So again, it's kind of like System.io is a no-brainer when it comes to being able to email. Here, if you go up to $33 a month, even with that, you still have to pay for email on top of the $33. All right. Next, with System.io, what's really, really cool is you can connect your custom domain. All right. So if you are pushing if you're doing any kind of advertising and you're wanting to share stuff on Facebook, for instance, Facebook doesn't like it if it's just a domain that's something like mydomain.system.io or mydomain.kajabi.com or mydomain@podia.com. You need to have a custom domain hooked up to your site. And with System.io, guess what? You can connect your custom domain. With Podia, nope, not with the free version. You can't use your custom domain. All right. With Kajabi, can we do a custom domain? One website, and I'm not really seeing whether or not it's a custom domain. Chances are you can. Again, but that's $70 a month. I don't know about you. Again, System.io wins. All right. So that's 3 reasons why we use System.io for our digital products and for our business. It blows away everything else out there. And if you just look at all these other features, blogs, you can have a blog. If you want a course, you can have a course. And you can use your course to actually deliver digital products. You can have different modules in your course, and you can have a Canva templates module, and you sell Canva templates, and whoever buys your Canva templates gets access only to the Canva templates module. You could have a module that's System.io templates, and you could sell a digital product that when they buy it, they only get access to the System.io templates module. Or you could do a bundle, and you could say, hey, for X amount of dollars, you can have access to the Canva templates and my System.io templates. And when they buy it, guess what you do? You give them access to only the Canva templates module and the System.io module. All right. So you can bundle things. All right. It's just amazing what you can do with System.io. It's what we use. If you're wondering what should I use for my digital products, stop, put on the brakes, and just go straight to System.io and sign up. So we do have a link in our description to you that you can use, that you can sign up. Again, it's for the free System.io account. And if you're really enjoying these System.io videos that Dana and I do, we have a whole playlist that you can check out. So with that being said, thanks for watching. Have an awesome day.